Hi, Nick from LRM. We're the manufacturers of the VersEseal range of waterproofing products. We're down on the beautiful Gold Coast today to do a Colorbond raised garden bed. Let's go and check out how to do it. As you know, a Wicking garden bed uses a fully waterproof base to provide a water reservoir for your plants to draw from and an overflow to make sure the soil does not become oversaturated. We use geofabrics due to its strength rather than builder's plastic, which is easily torn. VersEseal has incredible stretch and puncture resistance, so when used in combination with the geofabric, it forms an incredible protective layer. When applying the VersEseal, we're sealing all the edges and around and over the overflow using the VersEseal Rapid Build product. VersEseal is a water-based coating membrane. It is approved for AS 4020, which is the drinking water specification used Australia-wide, and is completely safe for use in your garden. The Aggie pipe is laid in to provide water flow and storage to the reservoir. We're now adding a 100mm layer of sand up to the drain point so that water can wick up from the reservoir to the soil layer. The soil layer is separated from the sand with a layer of geofabric. We are using a good quality soil and potting mix before planting out our first seedlings. Okay, so you've seen how simple that was to put together the Colorbond garden bed and waterproof it with a VersEseal membrane. If you need any more information, please get in contact.